Guys, welcome back to Mr. Keeping Legend, and today I will be showing you to Look PLL. So this is how it works. Normally, once you finish the top face, there will be 21 cases and you do an algorithm to solve the whole cube. But since 21 is quite a lot of algorithms, we can use 6 algorithms, well, not literally 6 algorithms, but we can learn 6 algorithms to tackle any case or solve any case. So the first algorithm will put all the corners where they're supposed to go, and the second one will just solve the cube. So let's get into it. Okay, so for solving all the corners, there are going to be 2 cases. We'll focus on this case. So you solved your top face, and you're looking around and you see headlights, and what I mean by this is that these 2 are the same colours and they're on the same side. So what we do here, hold them headlights on the left and do this algorithm: R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. And that will solve all your corners. So a bit quicker, it would look like this. Okay, so if you're looking around and you don't see any headlights, you get the other case. So you're gonna hold it so the white face is on top, or the yellow if you solve in white, and we're gonna do this algorithm: F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. And a bit quicker, it would look like this. So once you solve all of your corners, you're going to be left with one of 4 cases. One of them is when, like, this needs to go here and these need to swap. So these 2 need to swap and these 2 need to swap. And what we're going to do here is hold it however we like, as long as this is on top and this is down here. So not like that, like that. And we're going to do M2, U prime, M2, U2, M2, U prime, M2. A bit quick, or a bit slower, be like this. And how you do M2 is put these 2 like that, and then 4th finger, 3rd finger, like that. So that's how you do the M2s really quick. Okay, so for the next case, these 2 need to swap and these 2 need to swap. So we're gonna hold it like this and like this. So like we can only see 2 colours and we can't see the rest. So what we're going to do is M prime, U prime, M2, U prime, M2, U prime, M prime, U2, M2, U. So and a bit quicker, it would look like this. Okay, so for the 3rd case, one face is already solved. So instead of putting it in the front, we're going to put it at the back. And as we can see, if we look on our right, these 2 are opposite colours and the rest aren't. So what we're going to do is R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. So and a bit quicker, it would look like this. Okay, so for the next case, there's already a face solved. Put it at the back, but if we look on the right, these 2 aren't opposite. Instead, these 2 are opposite. So what we're going to do is R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime. So and a bit quicker, it'd look like this. Wait, sorry. Like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the post notifications, like the video, subscribe. The OLL tutorial should be up there, or somewhere up there, and subscribing to the channel should be somewhere on the screen. So, see you in the next video. Bye!